What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review. And today we're going to be talking about what the heck happened with all Bullish. Now, before I jump right into my content, make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop another crypto investing review. Now, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the content. I don't want to delay at all. Look, I found this on my computer. This is from when I did my last video. This screen that you're looking at now is my dashboard from all Bullish before it went down. This is the night before when I was on the dashboard and I was looking at the numbers. So I want to show you guys this. I can't really navigate away from it because it'll go away, because now you know the site is gone, it's down. You can't even get to it. And I'll talk a little bit more about that. But look, guys, I thought this was the one, right? You know, you ever had that feeling that you found the one? I thought this was the one that could last for 2 to 3 months. Typically, these platforms will last 2 to 3 months. And this one didn't, you know, and it was only up for 18 days. And I think that's crazy. But I will show you a little bit of the information and why I thought it was promising. I started with this platform right on September the 1st, so I wasn't involved for very long, right at 10 or 11 days, right? In the platform, if you want to count yesterday, it would be 11 days. The total deposited, it shows you, is $765.81. My total withdrawal was $317. Now, what I want to tell you guys is that of my own money, I put in $111 and I withdrew $317. So I was in profit mode. But I know a lot of people weren't. A lot of people had invested significant money in this platform, and it did not last long enough for them to get a return on their investment. That's one of the unfortunate things with a lot of these high yield investment platforms. I thought All Bullish was the one because it came in right at a sweet spot. You know, it was paying 17 to 21.5%, not too low, but not too high. Nothing, you know, nothing way up to the high point, which I've seen all the way up to 50%. And a lot of times you wonder if those platforms are going to last. But this one looked like it was in that sweet spot. It was paying instant withdrawals. I had used it a couple times. As you can see, I made a few withdrawals from here. I verified that the withdrawals were instant and they worked. You know, I did videos showing you guys that they worked. But unfortunately, it looks like that this has come down for us. And the reason why I say it is over is because, you know, I had some rumors going around that it was maybe they were just working on their servers. Yesterday, it actually went down the first time and it said it was having server issues, and then it came back up. I was able to log into it and see my dashboard and everything. But then later on, it was totally gone. You know, I even tried to send an email to the support address that we had, that we would get emails from. That email bounced. You know, it's a lot of things that are showing that this is probably done for, right? It's probably gone. And sometimes that happens with these platforms. And that's why I always advise that you only invest what you're willing to lose, even though we're investing for an opportunity to win. You only invest what you're willing to lose, because we never know what's going to happen with some of these platforms. Now, I want to tell you also one of the things that I suggest, right? And I'm not giving advice, I'm just telling you what I do, right? Well, this is what I do, is to have multiple platforms that you can use to earn income, like to earn investment income, right? So you want to have multiple investment income opportunities. And that's what I do, you know, and I'm going to go over that a little bit today because I wanted to tell you what's working now. And this is what has worked for me and what is still working for me to this day. So I'm going to go over that and tell you guys exactly what's going on right now. So one of the platforms that I've used for a while now, well, I say for a while, but for a month or so now, is Crypto 300 Club. Now, I know a lot of you probably have heard of Crypto 300 Club. This is one of the platforms that I've used. It has actually been very successful for me. I want to tell you up front, it is not without its issues, right? Crypto 300 Club has its own issues. Sometimes the website goes down, they have server issues, and then it comes back up, right? But it's been around, as you can see, from September 7th, 2018, right? Since September 7th, 2018. And so it's been around for a while. And so I want to say it's been around for about 2 years. But who knows? It could be gone in a year. I mean, it could be gone in a month. It could be gone tomorrow. It could be gone whenever. So I just wanted to give you guys this information and let you know that this is one of the platforms that I actually use and I earn income from. I've been able to earn a lot of income from, luckily. So this platform also is at the point where it's paying 14% per day. Now, it ranges anywhere from 10 to 50% per day. Now, I will tell you, I've been through a full cycle. I've been through a cycle with them, and I have been through what they call a reset or earnings adjustment. This platform does have an earnings adjustment. What does that mean? It gets to a point after it gets up to 50% daily that it is going to reset and start over, right? And so what you want to do is get as much out of the system as you can before the reset, because at reset, everything is reset to either 1% packs or 0.3% packs. And so I'll go over that. I'll do another video to explain what packs are if you're not familiar with that, and what the 0.1 and 0.3, what the 1% and the 0.3% means, and what my strategy is to get the most out of the platform. See, because I've been able to make a lot of money from this platform and use a good strategy to make sure I take some money to my bank. So right now, like I said, it's at 14%. I want to show you guys that I've made some money with the platform. So I'm going to go here and click on what we call crypto packs, right? So when I click on crypto packs, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. This is where you get a lot of your financial information. Right now, I'm at the point where I am earning right around $75 per day. 37. They only pay half on the weekend, so I make right around $37 per day on the weekend that I get paid. As you see in crypto packs, this is money I can withdraw right here. $113 that's available to withdraw right now. This is one of the platforms which I do withdraw on a consistent basis every other day. I withdraw money from it every other day. It takes about 2 days right now for you to receive your withdrawal back into your crypto wallet. That's why with all Bullish, it was exciting that you would get your withdrawals instantly. As you can see, my total accumulated daily earnings, they're right at $6,719. Now, I started with this program back on July 13th. And when I started with the program, I started with an initial investment of $70. And as you can see, this has grown to $6,719 that I've earned from the platform. So I've earned a lot of money from this platform from a small investment. This is you being consistent. Now, as you can see in my packs here, it shows that I have 208 1% packs. These are the packs that were reset at the time of the earnings adjustment. These packs were reset to 1%. And so now I went in, I started over, I bought 10% packs. And then when it elevated a little bit more to 11%, I bought 11% packs. So far, I've only bought 12% pack, but I'm going to go in and I'm going to take some of my earnings and reinvest and buy some more of these 14% packs because they pay at the higher percentage. So this one has been around for a while and it is making me money. I wanted to show you this, right? So the next platform that I use that is actually making me money is biginvestor. I know you looking at it and say, this looks like the exact same thing. It is. It's just a clone of the mother company, which is AdClickExpress. I do have an account with them, but I do not invest there. The only reason why I don't invest with AdClickExpress is because it has too many ads. I don't like every time that I log into the website, there's ads. So I like these other two better than I like AdClickExpress. But I know people who make money from AdClickExpress, and both of these websites, Crypto 300 and Big Investor, they are just duplicates of AdClickExpress. So I want to show you in this one, as you can see, it's the exact same thing. They're paying 14% on their premium packs right now, 14% per day. In this one, I started this platform on August the 18th. So I started on August the 18th. Right now, I am earning, I can go in and tell you that, but I have $185 that I can withdraw right now from my crypto packs. It's profit that I've made. And so I want to tell you guys that this one has been around for a little while. They don't have their thing, but they've been around for just a little while. maybe a year that this one has been around, if that. But I want to show you also the packs that I have here. As you can see, I have 46% 10% packs. So, I mean, 46 10% packs. And I have 3 11% packs, 19 12% packs, 1 13% pack, and 2 of the 14% packs, right? So I bought several packs. I'm at $76 per day with this one. I will tell you that this one, I started with a $50 investment in Bitcoin. And I've grown this one to right now, my accumulated daily earnings is $868.15. But if I scroll down and show you what my total earnings to date is $1,184. That includes like some referral money and everything that I've earned. So I'm already at $1,000, $1,184 from a $50 investment. And I've been involved since August the 18th. It's been less than a month. So being able to take $50 and turn it into more is phenomenal. I believe that's a great return on investment. So I wanted to show you guys that I'm making money from this platform as well. The next platform that I want to tell you all about is called CashFX. Now, this was different from the others that we talked about. Yeah, I told you the first two were just a clone of another website, but I am making good money from them. This one I am making good money from as well. This is CashFX. It's a little bit different. What you do is you get contracts, right? So you can do a contract with them, and the minimum contract is $300. When you start with this one, it's a forex education platform. Is what is primarily a forex education platform. But what makes this different from regular forex education platforms is that they will trade on your behalf. So you don't have to learn how to trade forex, but they will trade forex on your behalf, and you get the profit from their trading. They use some algorithms and auto bots that trade and things like that actually give them profitable trades, and then you make a percentage off of depending on the amount of money that you have invested with them. And so I started with the $300 contract. With that $300 contract, what happens is 70% of that $300 that you put in goes to the trading pool, which is $210 on that pack. So $210 went into the trading pool, and I'm going to show you how much I've earned. You get to earn up to 200% of that, what you put into the trading pool. So you can earn up to 200% of that, and they pay you out weekly. They show you what you make daily, but then they pay you out every Saturday. So I want to show you guys that and tell you what I've earned from this. So I'll do another video that's much more in detail, right? So that you can see exactly what's going on with this platform as well and how I use it to make money. But I do want to show you now, maybe I can show you a little bit about how much I've earned in this platform. So I'm going to go into finance and then in Fast Starts. So Fast Starts is basically your referral program. This is the referral side of the house. They have what they call the bull side of the house, and then they have the bear side of the house, right? So with the bull side of the house, what they call bull capital, I've made some money on this side. As you can say, I made $420 from this, and I've been involved for a little over a month and a half, and I've made $420 on the referral side there. So that's the money that I've made with the bull capital. So let's go over and just talk about the trading pool. The trading pool is going to be the bear side of the house. This is the bear capital. What this is just money that we earn from the trading pool. Now, this is only going to show you what I earned for this week from the trading pool. And I've earned so far what is calculated. It hasn't calculated yesterday yet, but I've earned around $10 from this. And plus it has to calculate in yesterday. So this week I'll earn about $12. Now it's usually around $12 to $13 per week that I earn from the trading pool. So not like astronomical money, but what I do with any of these platforms is I compare it to what I'm earning if I put this money in my bank, and my bank is not paying me this type of return. So I think 1 to 2% per day is actually a pretty good return on your investment. I like that, right? It's not the 14, 15, 16%, but it's giving me a return on my investment. Like I said, I'll go back later and do a review on a total review on this platform as well. So let's go ahead a little bit further. I just want to give you a snapshot of everything that I'm doing. Another platform that I actually have Bitcoin investments in is BTC Builder. I like this one as well. Now, I do have to tell you, this one, it's only a one-time investment, And what I also want to tell you with this platform is that it does require you to do some referrals, right? You want to refer some people to the platform because that's what makes it work fast, and that's what's going to make you go through the process with this one, right? To earn money. Well, this one, it is a 2x2 network. So when you get started with this platform, it opens up its own network for you, right? So when you open up your network, you usually, when I invested right around $65 or so to get started. And it depends on the price of Bitcoin, because you have to invest 0.0056 Bitcoin to get started. And right now that may be closer to $50. So you may be able to get started with a lower amount of Bitcoin. And then what you do is that you just invite two people over, and they invite two people, and then you do what we call cycle. The first time you do that, it upgrades you up to level 1. You get upgraded to level 1, but it also opens up another matrix for you. Don't let this confuse you. I'll do a video to explain it in detail. But and then on level 1, you get to earn more money, right? But what I want to tell you this, and I'll show you my spreadsheet for this, it can give you a payout of over $200,000, and because you can elevate all the way to level 6, and level 6 pays out $140,000+ right now. I think it is 100. It's about around $140,000. So it pays out a lot of money, right? That you can make from this one, and you only make a one-time investment. You don't have to ever go back and reinvest anything. You make a one-time investment, but you just invite other people to it. I've been able to cycle in this one twice. When I say cycle, I've cycled the feeder level twice, so I've made about around $400 in this one. So like I said, once again, I put in $65 and I've made $400, so I'm well in the profit mode on this one. So don't worry about the details. I'll go over the details later. One other platform in which I'm making some good money in is called Mira Trading International. So I do have some money in this platform as well. And this is straight Bitcoin compounding. They do the similar thing like I said with CashFX. What you do is you do a deposit. They go out and they do trading on your behalf. Right now, they only trade Bitcoin, and they go out and trade Bitcoin, and you get to reap the benefits of their trading. You get percentages and things added. With this platform, I started with a 0.021 Bitcoin, and I've already earned 0.005 Bitcoin. So you're looking at I earned about $50 in about a month's time. It's been less than a month that I've been involved, I believe. And I've earned about $50. I've earned about $50 in this one. I deposited the money, and then I earned about $50 in profit. With this one, it is you can get your money anytime you're ready to withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money back out too. Once you have it in the trading pool, you can, like right now it says it's worth $272. I can go in and I can make a withdrawal and withdraw this from the trading pool if I wanted to. But I keep it in there, just let it grow. It made me $50 in a month. In 2 months, that means I'll make $100. And what I do is with the trading, with the earnings that I get, I actually reinvest them back in the trading pool so it can give me a bigger percentage. And so I just like to let this compound. There is a referral side to this, which you can benefit, but you do have to have, there's a whole strategy to benefit from the referral side of this. As you can see, the total team members is 446 people. So that's this platform, right? So I invest in this platform as well. This platform is bringing me return also. So as what you can see is that I have a diverse portfolio of crypto investments. All of these I invested with Bitcoin, right? So I want you guys to know that you want to have a variety of places where you are investing to get your return. So if one, like all bullish, if one of them go down, that you still have other ways to earn income from your investment platforms. Now, I will tell you guys, and I'm going to give you this little sneak peek, and I'm not going to give a sneak peek right now, but I want to tell you that I am trying out a couple of other high yield investment platforms, right? I am trying them out, and so far they look okay, but they're still very new. I have one that's really, really new. It's only about a week old. Is one that's only a week old. So I invested in that one. I'm trying that one out, and I'll bring it to you once I investigate it and let you make a decision if you want to move forward with it. But then also there's another one that I'm invested with, and this one has been around for about 2 years, and they're paying. They've been consistent for about 2 years, and so once I check it out for myself and see that everything works for myself, I'll review it on my channel. So stay tuned. I got a couple that I'm checking out I'll tell you guys about it once I get more information on it. But I did want to let you guys know what's working for me right now, what I am using right now, and how I am still earning income from my Bitcoin and crypto investments. So guys, look, if you have other platforms that you want me to check out and take a look at, then you can just drop it in the comments. Let me know what's working for you right now. Let me know the platforms that you're looking at. I may take a look at it and see if it's a good platform and do a review on it and see what I think about it. And then also, maybe it may be something that I'll get involved in if it looks like it's very promising and that I can understand it. That's one of the things that that's one of my requirements. I got to be able to understand what's going on, right? So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, hearing what's working for me right now. I'm going to be back with other reviews and on these platforms that I just introduced to you, and those new platforms, the new high yield interest programs, right? The high yield investment programs, I'm sorry, that I am checking out right now. I'll be back with those reviews as well. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you can get those notifications. Make sure you click on that notification bell and get all notifications. You don't want to miss it when I come out with those videos. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, let's keep making money.